Have you ever thought of practicing the art of meditation, but don't know how or how to get started? I found out 3 tips that can help.
This is Rich Fontaine, and I'm here just to let you know one small message. You are the seed. Just understand, you're not what everyone sees. You're more than that. But it always starts from the inside before you'll see it external. Either you could agree with me or not agree with me. But either way, I feel that this right here is a successful conversation.
Somebody wants to tell you where you should be, where you should go, and how you should act, you tell them this. Your opinion is not
Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Successful Conversations. Like the great Jay-Z said, you can be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. So, 3 tips on how to meditate. And before we start, what is meditation? Meditation to me is the art of being present. See, most of us, we live in our minds. We live in our thoughts. Either in our thoughts are in the past of old things that we regret, or old things that we thought were good and we don't think it's as good now, or things that happen that affect us in an emotional way, or things that, hey, this is how things are. This is the way they've always been, this is the way they're always going to be, which is wrong because things are always constantly changing. So when we live in the past, we are not present. And when we're living too much in the future, what's going to happen through anxiety? Oh, this might happen, this is going to happen. Or even goal setting. Oh, I'm going to make this happen in my future, this happen, which is all good, which is not bad. But you're not being present. But your future is effective of what you do in the present. So the more present you can be, the more you can actually affect your future in a positive way. And the more present you can be, the more you relinquish the past. The past is the past. It happened, you can't change it, you can't go back. All you can do is learn from it and change your present. That will change your future. So, meditation, the art of being present. How can you meditate in the most effective way? Tip number 1 on how to meditate. Do something that creates a single-minded focus. Do something that creates a single-minded focus. It could be many different things. Some people do in running. As they're running, the only thing that they're focused on is the run. They're not thinking about work. They're not thinking about the past. They're not thinking about their kids. They're not thinking about their husband. They're not thinking about their wives. They're just present. So running, swimming, exercising, breathing techniques are a great way to meditate. It's whatever that keeps you centered and present. So sometimes when I'm running, I feel this gust of energy because I'm truly meditating, because the only thing I'm focusing on is what I'm doing right then and right there. So even when you're working, some people, like when I write books, I get very, very caught up in my book writing because I'm so present in that moment. Even when I'm recording these videos are a sense of meditation because I'm very present in the moment. I'm not thinking about what I'm going to say next. I'm just letting the energy flow through me into the camera. That's an art of meditation. Number 2 for tips to help you meditate if you're a beginner is focus on your heartbeat. So many people say focus on your breathing, which is good. I found it even more effective to focus on my heartbeat because that's purely my subconscious mind. I'm being aligned in my subconscious mind. That's what you want. You want your conscious mind, your subconscious mind to be at one. That's being present. And your subconscious mind is what causes your heart to beat without you paying attention. So I'm not very conscious of my heart beating. It's going to beat regardless. So I stay focused on something that I'm not truly affecting is affecting itself. So I listen to my heartbeat. Some people say they do it with ceiling fans or a drip of water. But something that's consistent, like a drip of water, doop, 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 and all you do is focus on that sound. All you do is focus on the heartbeat. You don't think of anything else, you just focus on it. Which, of course, your thoughts will want to go off on its own tangent, and you can allow it for a second, just don't go with it. As the thoughts go, always bring yourself back to center. Just say, deep breathe, and say heartbeat. Deep breathe and say ceiling fan. Just repeat the word so it gets you back focused. So your mind knows, okay, I'm focusing on my heartbeat. I'm focusing on my heartbeat. And as of for a while, all you could focus is the boom, the boom, the boom. And that's when you're truly present. And that's when energy starts flowing into you and you're truly meditating. Tip number 3 is when you're first starting to meditate, guided meditations are kind of the best way to go. I started with consistent talk meditations. So where the person that's facilitating the guided meditation would talk the entire way through. They wouldn't stop. They would constantly say, focus on your breathing, focus on this, da-da-da. But why? Because they want you to focus on their words. In a sense that you're not trying to dissect their words, you're not trying to analyze their words, you're just listening to their words. And so I listen to these words in these guided meditations, and I listen to key words like deep breathe, feel inspired, feel your energy, visualize this thing. So I visualize and I listen to the guided meditation consistently. And before I did it, now I listen to less silence. And sometimes I just meditate in pure silence. But that takes some time. So if you're a beginner, it's always good to listen to like a good Abraham video, a good Alan Watts, a Miles Wayne Dyer. But as you just center and listen to them constantly and just focus on their words, focus on the breath that they're using, focus on their tone. Again, don't analyze their words, just focus on the words itself. Even this talk could be a meditation. If you just don't analyze my words, just listen to my voice. Hear my voice. And then deep breathe. And lastly, the bonus is always keep deep breathe, relax. The sense of meditation is to get you to a state of relaxation, meaning that your body's calm. When your body's calm, your mind is calm. So if you could calm the body, put it in a state of pure relaxation. See, the problem is we use TV to relax. We use video games to relax. We use alcohol to relax. We use all these things to relax. But if you can relax, you have all the attributes to relax your own self. You could just sit there, deep breathe, and relax the body. Start thinking about your head, your shoulders, your face, because wherever your focus is, energy flows. So if you focus on your eyes, your mouth, your lips, your tongue, your mind will go to those things and it'll help it relax. So as you relax the body, you are truly meditating. Because you relax everything and then energy rises. And once you start feeling that energy rises, that's when you know, all right, I'm really getting deep into the meditations. And that's when things start to really change in your life. Again, this is Rich Fontaine. Either you could agree with me or not agree with me, but either way I feel, this was a successful conversation.